Before we delve into the specifics, let's understand the power of automation. YouTube automation involves utilizing tools, techniques, and strategies to minimize manual tasks, saving you time and energy. By automating certain aspects of your channel management, you can focus on what matters most, creating exceptional content. When selecting a good niche for YouTube automation, there are three main factors to consider. Firstly, it should be a topic with high search volume and low competition. Tools like vidIQ can help you determine the search volume and competition for specific keywords. By finding a niche with significant search volume and minimal competition, your videos have a better chance of ranking well. Secondly, look for a topic with a high CPM, which represents how much advertisers are willing to spend per 1,000 views. While this may not matter initially when starting from 0 subscribers, it becomes crucial once you start earning money. Niches like businesses tend to have higher CPM rates compared to gaming, allowing for greater revenue potential. Finally, consider opportunities beyond YouTube for earning money. Some niches may not have lucrative ad revenue on YouTube, but alternative monetization methods like membership platforms can be explored. When selecting your niche, it's important to identify an audience-building opportunity and potential revenue streams, either within or outside of YouTube. Creating videos for YouTube automation involves 5 key elements: research, script writing, voiceover, video editing, and thumbnail creation. To begin, research is essential for identifying popular topics. By exploring various blog posts and articles on Google, one can gather ideas and compile a unique list of content. When it comes to writing a script for your videos, you have the option to do it yourself or hire someone to help. Platforms like Fiverr or Upwork offer talented individuals who can write scripts at affordable rates, usually based on the word count. If you're starting out with limited funds, you can write the script yourself by following some helpful tips. Begin by opening Google Docs and having a clear idea of what you want to convey. Create an outline to organize your thoughts, keeping the script brief and using a conversational tone. Incorporate visuals to enhance the content, and don't forget to edit and refine the script before finalizing it. The next step involves recording a voiceover for the video. Initially, using free software like Audacity allows for recording using a laptop or phone microphone. However, for higher quality voiceovers, professional voiceover artists on Fiverr or Upwork can be hired to deliver polished results within a short turnaround time. Video editing is crucial in refining the content. Numerous free video editing software options are available, such as iMovie or DaVinci Resolve, offering advanced editing functionalities. Free stock footage from platforms like Pexels, Pixabay, or Storyblocks can enhance videos, ensuring copyright compliance. Alternatively, outsourcing video editing to freelancers on Fiverr is a viable option. Providing them with the script and voiceover allows them to edit and deliver the final version. Before publishing the video, creating an eye-catching thumbnail is essential. Canva, a user-friendly online design platform, offers customizable templates for YouTube thumbnails. It allows for easy customization, including changing images, backgrounds, and effects. Alternatively, hiring a freelancer from Fiverr or similar platforms to design a custom YouTube thumbnail is another option, with a vast pool of talented designers available. Each step can be achieved either by utilizing free resources and tools like Audacity and Canva, iMovie DaVinci Resolve, or by outsourcing to freelancers on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. The availability of these options allows individuals to embark on YouTube automation without significant upfront investments to gain views on YouTube. There are a few key tips to keep in mind. Firstly, consistency is crucial, especially in the beginning stages. By posting as many videos as possible, you can gather data and determine which types of content perform well. This not only helps improve your skills, but also signals to YouTube's algorithm that you're serious and committed. Secondly, focus on 3 important metrics: click-through rate, watch time, and engagement. Aim to keep viewers engaged for longer durations. Encourage likes, subscriptions, comments, and shares. Incentivizing engagement can further boost interaction. Lastly, rather than reinventing the wheel, learn from successful channels in your niche and replicate their strategies. Once you have an established YouTube channel, implementing these tips will help you attract more views and grow your audience.